AK-47. Mikhail Kalashnikov developed the AK-47 in the Soviet Union. This is a selective-fire, gas-operated 7.62 into 39 mm assault rifle. Its work design started in World War II, and after 1946, AK-47 was officially introduced for military trail. Even after 6 decades, this model is most widely used out of popular assault rifle in the world because of its durability, low production cost, and ease of use. Its manufacture is done in many countries and has been in seen service with armed forces as well as revolutionary and terrorist organizations worldwide. The AK-47 was the basic for developing many other types of individuals and crews served firearms. HK-MG4 MG43 machine gun. This lightweighted 5.56 mm machine gun that is belt-fit was designed and developed by German company Heckler & Koch. The weapon creation was in late 1990s and its first public glimpse was in September 2001. The product has a lightweight design which provides maximum safety to its users, along with high reliability under adverse conditions. In addition, its ammunition came in a wide variety from different manufacturers without the need to adjust its gas system. Initially, the design was known as MG43, and today it has replaced many other machine guns of its time due to better technical features. HK-416 assault rifle. This rifle was also designed by Heckler & Koch. It uses proprietary gas system derived from HK-G36 and is an upgraded version of American M4. This proprietary gas system was found in HK-G36, and due to it the standard gas system used by M4 or M6 was replaced. In addition, the short stock pistol does the driving of the operating road to the force the bolt carries to the rail. To sum up, the HK-416 is a smaller version of the HK-417 with a chamber of a full-size 7.62 into 51 mm NATOR rifle cartridge. Thompson's M9021 M9028 submachine gun. This weapon is an American submachine gun invented by John T. Thompson in 1990. It became infamous during the Prohibition era and was used by both parties of law enforcement officials as well as criminals. This submachine gun is also known as Tommy gun or trench bomb. It was favored by people such as soldiers, criminals, and police due to its ergonomic compactness, large cartridge, reliability, and a high value of automatic fire. Since then, it has highly gained popularity among civil collectors for its historic significance. F2000 assault rifle. This weapon was designed by F.L. Herstal in Belgium. This weapon was manufactured publicly in 2001 at an exhibit held in Abu Dhabi. Its features include a modular weapon system and compact 5.56 into 45 mm NATO caliber configured in the bulb layout. The rifle consists of two main assemblies and a removable hand guard is installed in front of the trigger, which completes and encloses the trigger guard. As for safety concern, the fire selector doubles as a weapon manual safety and secure the firearm against accidental discharge, thus making F2000 a selective fire weapon operating from the closed bolt. MG3 machine gun from Germany. The MG3 is a German general-purpose machine gun chambered for the 7.62 into 51 mm NATO cartridge. The design of this weapon is also derived from the World War II. The MG3 was developed in the late 1950s and still after a long time. It is used to serve as a square support weapon which can also be used as a machine gun mounted on the vehicle. The weapon and its derivation have also been acquired by the army forces of over 30 countries. Production right to the machine gun was purchased by Italy, Spain, Pakistan, Greece, Iran, Sweden, and Turkey. XM307 ACSW Advanced Heavy Machine Gun. ACSW stands for Advanced Cruise Serve Weapon. This weapon was developed under 25 mm belt-filled grenade machine gun with smart shell capability. It is designed to be lightweighted and two-man usable gun as well as ability to mount it on the vehicle. the range through which it can kill people in 3,000 meters and can destroy light armed vehicle, watercraft, helicopter at 1,000 meters. It was designed by the US Army in order to replace and supplement the Mk-19 grenade launcher and M2 heavy machine gun. It fires 25mm point detonating and airburst-style ammunition at the cycle rate of 260 rounds per minute and has effective range up to 2 kilometers. Uses